How to delete comments on Instagram. Now, let's say you went to see a post, but you have seen comments that you don't really want to display to that. All you have to do is to go to your profile icon and go to that post specifically. Let's say right here. Now, I have two comments right here. And if I want to delete a comment on my Instagram account, all I have to do is to long press it and click on delete right here. Now the comments has been deleted. You can delete comments on Instagram as well as control every comment on a certain post. All you have to do is to click on these three dots right here, and you can manage the comments that will go through and that will not go through. Also, you can turn off commenting on this specific post, as well as hide more comments or manage custom word lists that people can comment on. And if they use the word that is inappropriate for you or you have forbidden as a custom word list, they won't be able to comment that specific opinion that they have on you. So technically, Instagram is protecting you from being harassed on comment section. So that's how to delete comments on Instagram. Hope we help.